A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a bold move that has sent shockwaves through global markets, President Donald Trump has officially implemented a sweeping new tariff framework that targets over 90 countries. This executive order, signed just before the self-imposed August 1st trade deadline, establishes levies ranging from 10% to a staggering 41% on a wide array of imports. The new tariffs will take effect on August 7th, marking a significant escalation in the ongoing trade war with major trading partners, including Canada, Mexico, and China. The immediate aftermath of this announcement was felt across international stock markets, with European shares experiencing a notable decline as they opened for trading on Friday morning. Key indices such as Germany's DAX, Britain's FTSE 100, and France's CAC 40 all opened in the red, reflecting investor anxiety over the potential economic ramifications of Trump's aggressive trade policies. Asian markets were not spared either, with South Korea and Japan also reporting significant drops, despite having previously negotiated trade agreements with the U.S. As Wall Street futures dipped by 0.9%, traders braced for the release of the June jobs report, further complicating the economic landscape. The U.S. dollar, however, is on track for its strongest weekly performance in nearly 3 years, rising by 0.1% to reach a 2-month high. This surge is attributed to traders anticipating the inflationary impact of the new tariffs. In a striking contrast, the Canadian dollar plummeted to a 10-week low against its U.S. counterpart following the announcement of a harsh 35% tariff on goods from Canada. The swift market reactions underscore the uncertainty and volatility surrounding Trump's tariff strategy. In a statement on social media, Trump expressed confidence in the economic benefits of the tariffs, claiming they would bring billions of dollars into the U.S. economy. He also took the opportunity to criticize Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, suggesting that the recent dip in hiring should prompt a reduction in interest rates. According to the Labor Department, U.S. employers added only 73,000 jobs in July, falling short of the anticipated 110,000. This slowdown in job growth, coupled with revised figures showing a downward adjustment of 258,000 jobs for May and June, has raised concerns about the overall health of the labor market. The unemployment rate remains relatively stable at 4.2%. But the lack of robust job creation signals a potential cooling of the economy. In response to the tariffs, U.S. Trade Representative Jamieson Greer emphasized that the goal is not to punish foreign nations, but to protect American interests. He indicated that while some countries may be able to negotiate tariff reductions, Trump may ultimately prefer to maintain the tariffs as leverage in trade discussions. As the deadline looms, Trump has made it clear that he is prepared to enforce the levies against nations that fail to reach agreements. This hardline stance is evident in his declaration on social media that the August 1st deadline would not be extended. As the trading day progresses, the European stock markets continue to react negatively, with the CAC 40 down more than 2% and Germany's DAX and Italy's FTSE MIB both slumping by over 1.8%. Meanwhile, Kosovo's acting prime minister announced a significant policy shift, eliminating the 10% tariff on U.S. goods in a bid to strengthen trade relations with America. This move comes as a stark contrast to the punitive measures being implemented against other nations. Trump's new tariff regime categorizes trading partners into 3 groups: dealmakers, who have negotiated reduced tariffs; defaulters, who face steep levies for failing to meet the deadline; and baseline countries, which maintain a standard tariff rate. This approach reflects a broader shift in U.S. trade policy, moving away from efficiency-driven models towards a focus on balanced reciprocity. As the world watches closely, the implications of Trump's tariff strategy will likely reverberate across global markets, impacting everything from consumer prices to international trade relations. The coming weeks will be critical as countries navigate the new landscape of U.S. trade policy and seek to protect their economic interests amid rising tensions. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.